Pasa natin. Dito. Alis mo na. No, para sa may bola. Dito kanina. Dito ngayon. 3 points yun yun. 1.
3 points. 3-0.
Number 12, set of play.
Pilmad.
Pass to number 22. Number 22, pass to number
360. 360 yun.
Number 1, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 12. Number 12. 2 points by number 12. The score 3-2 in favor of Road Riders. Time remaining 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Pass to number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 1. 2 points by number 1.
5-2.
Number 22. Number 22, set up play. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 1. Bola. Blocked by number 22. Time remaining 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Steal by number 22. Number 22, 2 points. Score 5-4. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakuha ulit number 20. 15 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 23. Foul. Number 27. First personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Steal by number 12. Number 12. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 28. Rebound by number 27. Number 27, 2 points. Score 6-5 in favor of El Torresno. Time remaining 7 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 20, set up play. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Traveling violation. Time remaining 7 minutes exactly. Pass to number 1. Number 1 again. Pass to number 3. Rebound by number 360. 360. Pass to number 27. Pass to number 22. 15 to shoot. Number 27. 2 points. Score 8-5 in favor of Torresno. Time remaining 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Boss, anong pangalan ng 27 mo? Anong pangalan ng 27 mo?
Pass to number 7.
Anong pangalan?
Rebound by number 28. Pass to number 360. 360. Lifting the ball. Pass to number 22. Number 22. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 20. Nagmamadali. Tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Rebound by number 3 again. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. 2 points. Number 22, 7-8, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8. No good. Rebound by number 20. Number 10. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 1. Number 1 attack. No good rebound by number 10. Traveling to the ball. And towel the referee. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Out of bounds. Time out. 10. Pass to number 20. Number 20. No good. Rebound by number 3.
8-7 in favor of El Torres. No?
El Torres the ball. Number 30. Set up play. Pass to number 20. Number 30. No good. Rebound by number 3.
Parang ang tanda ni Asling ganyan, ano?
Same ball.
Parang nagparenta lang, parang tumanda. Parang tumanda ng gusto.
Time remaining. Time remaining 3 minutes and 15 seconds. No good. Nakuha number 15. Number 15 attack. Slow mo.
Slow mo by number 15.
Same ball. 14 to shoot. Number 3. 2 points by number 3. Time remaining 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Pass to number 27. Number basket is good. Second throw.
Ako yung mic.
No good.
Morris nagutom na.
Number
Ako
10.
yung mic. Morris,
First personal foul, second team foul. 14 to shoot.
Patay ito.
10, 9. Rebound by number 4. Pass to number 20. Pass to number 3. 2 points by number 3.
11-9.
Number 27. 2 points by number 27.
11-0.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 11-0. 11 na yan. 11 na. El Torres no. Still by number 30. Pass to number 7. Number 7. Thank you, Marcel. Offensive foul by 360.
Don Luis.
Number 20. Set up play. Time remaining 1 minute and 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Block by number 27. Pass to number 30. Steal by number 20. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds. Foul. Number 28. First personal foul, number 28. Third team foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. First throw. Basket is good. Oh, sige. Di official score na tayo. Hinahanap lang yung numero. No good. Rebound by number 20. Oras pa. Number 4. No good. Nakuha number 7. Time remaining exactly 1 minute. Number 7. Steal by number 4. Pass number 10. Number 10. No good. Rebound by number 15. Foul. Number 28. Yan eh.
Luis, galit na naman. 28. Kumain si Charon.
Number 28, second personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots by number 15. First throw. Basket is good. Second throw. Time remaining.
Ito pa isang magulo. Yung kalbo magulo. Basta
No good. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 20. 45 seconds.
Technical ka dito, nasa ibang bench ka.
Number 20, attack. No good. Rebound by number 27. Number 27. Pass to number 20. Uy.
Time out.
Tempo. Time out. Number 1 set up play. 25 seconds. No good. Rebound by 360. 20 seconds. Foul. Number 4. Ilan yung 4? Ilan yung 4?
Second, third team.
Number 4, second personal foul, 13 foul. First throw, no good. Time remaining 14 seconds. Second throw. Basket is good. 14 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. First throw, no good. Second throw. No good again. Isa pa. Masyado kayo nagmamadali. Time remaining 5 seconds. No good again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Number 23, set up lane. Pass to number 27. Attack. 2 points by number 27. Pass to number 22. Number 22, 3 points. Time remaining 9 minutes and 20
17-13
seconds.
in favor of
Score
Torres now.
13-17 in favor of Old Torres now. 2 points.
17-16, 17-16. Torres.
Espera.
La pelota es de él. Hay que buscar yung pelota natin.
Nasaan yung bola natin?
Espera. La pelota es del niño.
¿Dónde está el official ball?
Saan yung bola natin?
Pati ba ng bola natin nawawala?
Kasi yung bola natin isa.
Ayun, nandun na ako ng bata nga.
Hindi yung official natin.
Rebound number 4.
Yan ang gusto yun.
Pira, dapat sa...
Pass to number 29.
Sabi ko na hindi binibigay pang marap yung official ball.
Number 22.
Hey!
First personal foul, first team foul.
Hindi pinagawa up yun.
Bakit yung bola gamit?
Ang pinagamit? Kanina tapos.
Hey!
Ginamit nila kanina.
Saan yung bola? Pelota ah!
Madre
Tulungan
niya.
nyo kanina, di ba? Saan na?
Tingnan mo doon, Edon yung naglalaro doon, baka ginugaan nila. Nakuha din sa kabila. Yanos mo na lang. Yanos mo.
Kaya announce mo nga yung bola.
Yung official ball po, sino po ang kumuha? Kung sino man po ang gumamit ng official ball, pakibalik na lang po dito. Yung official ball. Basket is good. Time remaining exactly 8 minutes. Score 16-17 in favor of El Torresno. Number 22. Number 22, 3 points. Number 1, second name.
Huwag na sa isama, mabingi.
Pass to number 4. Number 4. 2 points by number 27. Palitan ng bola. Palit. Bebo. Number 1 celebrate. Pass to number 4.
22-18, Torres now.
Out of bounds. Time remaining 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Score 22.
Try ang cambio dito.
22-18 in favor of El Toresno. No good. Steal by number 29. A 22 in favor of El Toresno. Time remaining 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Pass to number 360. Number 360, tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 15. Rebound by number 360.
Shot lock.
Out of bounds. Time remaining exactly 5 minutes. Number 12, celebrate, pass to number 22. Number 22, no good. Rebound by number 27, no good again. Number 1 attack. No good, rebound by number 27. Foul number 15. Number 15. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Inbound by number 12. Pass to number 22. Time remaining 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 22, celebrate pass to number 12. Number 12, no good. Who's about it? Number 15, third personal foul, third team foul.
Second pa lang. Second pa lang.
Number 15, second personal foul. Rebound by number 3.
Boss, insert time
Time remaining.
So,
3
time out,
minutes and 40 seconds. Steal by number 22. Steal by number 4. Number 4. No good. Rebound. Pass to number 12. Number 12, 2 points. Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Score. 24-21.
Time out.
Time remaining 3 minutes exactly.
Torres 26-21, Torres no.
20. Pass to number 12. Steal by number 20. Time remaining 2 minutes exactly. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 20. Time remaining 1 minute and 40 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 10. No good. Number 10, 2 points. Time remaining 1 minute and 28 seconds. 15 to shoot. Who's foul? Number 10. Warning for penalty.
Second foul.
Number 10, second personal foul, warning for penalty. For to shoot. 2 points by number 12. 15 seconds. Time remaining. 35. Foul. Rebound by 360. Pass to number 22. 35 seconds. 35 seconds.
Pag ganyan, patay mo muna.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 15 seconds. Pass to number 20. 2 points. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
28-27, favor of Toresno and of second quarter.
Pass to number 16. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Foul. Number 22.
Second personal foul.
Number 22. Second personal foul. First team foul. Time remaining. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. Score 27-13 in favor of El Toresno. First row. No good. Second row.
Kita magbibigay ng well. Katapusan. Kaya pwede tayo doon.
Rebound by number 22. Pass to number 12. Pass to number 28. Foul. Musparet. Number 10.
Kumain ng ano, talpos ng kalabasa.
Number 10.
Magparing man lang, puro board eh.
Kaya na yung 10.
Puro board nakikita ko.
Kasi na yung 10.
Oh, paring Dante, nasa filmad.
Basket is good. Time remaining 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Who's foul? Number 28.
Sab.
Number 8. Number 28. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Cambio. Pasok ang papasok. Labas ang lalabas. Time remaining 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Rebound by number 7. Pass to number 22. 15 to shoot. Number 20. Number 20, attack. No good. 2 points by number 20. Number 2.
29 in favor of Toresno.
Bebo ay cambio, vale. Number 12. Pass to number 28. Pass 15 to shoot. No good. Time out. El Toresno. Number 20, Sarah Play. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 2 points by number 16.
32-31, favor of Toresno.
Ready for sub, number...
Bebo ay cambio, vale. Pass to number 22, 15 to shoot. Ni. Cambio.
Praktisado yan. Dapat
Time
nagdala siya ng
remaining 5
palay
minutes and 35 seconds. Score 31-32 in favor of El Toresno. Number 20. Attack. Number 16. No good. Rebound by number 3. Who's fouled it? Number 28. Number 28. Warning for graduate. Third team foul. Cambio. Number 28. Warning for graduate. Warning for penalty. First throw, no good. Second throw. Basket is good.
Nice, nice.
Scores all 32 in favor of committee. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Blocked by number 16. 15 to shoot. Number 22, set up A. Pass to number 16. Time remaining 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Number 3. $15 to shoot. No good.
Deadlock, 30 all, 30 all.
Time remaining 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Same ball, 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Number 7. Number 27. Who's got it? Number 30. Number 30.
First pa lang yun.
First personal foul. Number 31.
First team.
Third team foul. First team foul. Nakakuha ng 360. Attack. Basket is good. No good. Rebound by number 3. Number 16. Pass to number 21. Foul. Who's foul?
360.
Number 12.
First personal foul. Warning.
Number 12, first personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots by number 21. Basket is good. Second throw. No good. Rebound by number 16. 2 points by number 16. Nakakuha ka ng bonus shot.
Personal foul.
Second personal foul, penalty. Cambio.
Tapos lalaro pa sa Paradise mamaya.
Pagod na to mamaya.
Pagod.
Pagod to. Kala niya, isip, kaya mo, pero mamaya pag naglaro, tingnan mo.
Pagkigil lalo.
Dito, mas porsahan dito eh.
Oras, boss.
Oras, oras. 1 minute.
1 minute and 5 seconds. Score 36-34 in favor of Road Riders.
Anong quarter na yan?
Bata. Number 3.
13 foul. 13, first foul.
Warning.
Number 31. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
When Aquino,
2 shots by 360.
Aquino, ni Aquino, second pa lang.
Bale.
No good. Time remaining. 29 seconds.
Kung ang upuan natin, ito lang ang upuan, eh, mga block.
No good again. Rebound by number 16.
Okay, Joe.
25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds.
36 all, 36 all.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
Penalty ba?
Foul number 360. Penalty. Number 360. Third personal foul penalty. Time remaining. Time remaining 2 seconds. Both teams penalty. First throw, basket is good. 2 seconds remaining. Seconds, 2 seconds.
Tanggap po yung baser ikaw son ha, yung baser.
Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 20. Foul. Basket is good. Number 7.
First personal foul.
Number 7. First personal foul. First team foul. Score 39-36 in favor of Road Riders. Bonus shot by number 20. No good. Pass to number 23. Number 27.
Third personal foul.
Number 27, third personal foul, second team foul. First row, no good. No good again.
Sayang yung message.
Time remaining exactly 8 minutes. Score 39-36. Inbound by number 7. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 27. Number 27, 2 points. Score 38-39 in favor of Road Riders. Time remaining 7 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 points by number 16. Number 22, 7-9. 41 na, 41. Pass to number 23. Number 23, 2. Empate. Time remaining 7 minutes exactly. 15 to shoot.
Number 22, 7-8. Open pa naman.
Bebay kang bebalik. 15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8, 7. Still by number 20. Pass to number 20. Time remaining 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 2 points by number 27.
43 all, 43 all.
Score 43. 15 to shoot. Still by number 23. Same ball. Fabio Bebo. Time remaining 5 minutes.
Five, 43. Favor to rest.
El Turesmo. It's in 14 seconds. Pass to number 20. Number 20. No good. 3-second violation. Inbound by number 22. Pass to number 23. Pass to number 22. Time remaining 4 minutes and 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. Pass to number 20. 2 points by number 20. Score all 45. Time remaining 4 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 to shoot. Yun lang. Rebound by 7, 6, 5. Rebound by number 16. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 20. Number 20. Attack. 2 points by number 20. Basket is blue.
47 all, 47 all. Kaya yan isa.
Megos lang pala.
Yun!
48, 47. To rest.
Points by number 3.
49-48. Philman. Road Riders.
Score 49-48 in favor of Road Riders. 15 to shoot. Rebound by number 10. Pass to number 16. Time remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 2 points by number 16. Score 51-48. They welcome the
51-48. Road Riders.
15 to shoot. 10, 9, 8.
Laki ng puta yabang! Napakayabang na hoy!
Score all 51. Time remaining 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Dalawa pa.
Timeout kayo, dalawa.
Dalawa pa, timeout po, dalawa.
Last
na yan.
Time remaining 2 minutes and 15 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Baka matabig ka dyan.
Time remaining last 2 minutes. No good. Time remains. 10 to shoot. 8. 14 to shoot.
Hindi sinasadya ka kakalak.
Lapitan mo. Lapitan mo pag nadali mo. Di ba?
Segundo.
3 seconds. Time out. Time out. 3 seconds. 43 seconds. 35 seconds. 15 to shoot. Grado.
Kasi technical, kami technical kanina.
Grado.
May technical siya.
May nakalaglag o, ipamike mo baka may nakabayan tayo.
Time remaining. Last 26 seconds.
26 seconds. May ano yun
Two
to?
shots by
May
number
nalaglag.
16. Score of 51. First row. Basket is good.
Report na yun, di ba? Walang gustong mag-temot ah.
Second row.
52-51. Road Raiders. 52-51. Road Raiders.
20 seconds. 10 to shoot. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ya está. No vale, ya está.
Ano to? Magulo to sa 360. Seconds pa eh, bago na po eh.
Basket.
So dapat nag-temot sila.
Last 1 second. Last 1 second.
Dog and Dr. Dre was up the dope. 1, 2.